In today's video, I'll show you how to create tags in Zoho Books. A simple but powerful way to organize your financial reports and track transactions more effectively. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss other easy Zoho Books tutorials like this. To get started, open your Zoho Books dashboard and look to the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to open your settings. Inside the settings menu, find and click on reporting tags under the customization section. This is where you can create and manage tags for better report organization. Now, click new tag at the top right corner. Give your tag a clear and descriptive name, something like department or region, depending on how you want to categorize your transactions. Then start adding options under that tag. For example, if the tag is department, your options might include sales, marketing, or finance. If it's region, you could add north, south, or west. To add more options, click add another option. If you make a mistake, simply remove it by clicking the trash icon next to it. Once you've finished adding your options, hit save to store your new reporting tag. Your tag is now ready to use. You can apply it to transactions, invoices, or expenses, allowing you to filter and analyze reports more efficiently. That's it. You've successfully created a tag in Zoho Books. It's a small setup that makes a big difference in how you view your business data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Zoho Books guides and tutorials.